You can also easily generate out QR codes to be used in your project inside of Polotno Studio. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that QR code is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that you have a place to paste out your URL. So over here, you can type in, let's say, for example, http:// and www. Or maybe what I want to do is I just want to go around and copy this. So I'm just going to go around and copy this and then paste this out right here. And then click on add new QR code. And then QR code is created, as you can see right here. You can go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, any color right here for the background and any color right here for the code right here to get the effect that you want, as you can see, just like this. So you can go around and work around with the brightness and blur and everything right here, just like with an image right here. So what you can also do is you can go around and then add in regular text for QR code, and it does not have to be a URL, or just a URL, but it can be anything else as well. So I'm just going to go around and say welcome to TutorTube right here. So you can just click on add a new QR code, and then you got a QR code with this particular text message right here. And that is how you can generate out QR codes, and you can go around and move this out according to how you want right here inside of Polotno Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe